Hello, okay, this is the tutorial video for self-learning practice for URC 2020. Okay, in this video I will teach you on how to do how to do the mission in level number 1. So let's start. Okay, this is the tutorial that you can read one by one, okay, in order for you to complete the mission. Please don't skip the tutorial, okay, when you are first time in the level, so that if let's say that you skip, you will miss few of the information for this level number 1. Okay, so you need to read one by one. In this video, I will just straight away to teach you on how to do the programming, because the programming here for the level number 1 is to teach you on how to write the program for moving forward. Okay, the most important part is the mission objective. You need to collect all the energy portion. This one we call it as an energy portion. This one is the portal door. Okay, how to change the view here? Okay, so you need to right click your mouse and turn around your mouse like this. So it will change the position. If you want to reset the position, just click the switch view. This one, it will give you the 2D view, and then click back and it will give you the original position. Okay, so this is the blocks that we're going to use. Okay, the motion, the event, and the control block. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you need to start your program with this block, which is the event block, start program. That one is the first step. Okay, this one you can zoom in and zoom out the programming canvas. This one we call it as a programming canvas. So first, you need to give power to your robot first. So take this, how to drag the block. Left click of the mouse, hold and drag to the right side. And please make sure there is a black shadow here. Okay, so it means that your both of the blocks is connected. Right, this one, DC Moto M1 Power 100. Since as you can see here, motor position we have left and right, we have M1 and M2. So every time you drag the blocks for M1, you need to drag for the M2 also. So it means that you give the power for both motor M1 and M2. Next one, once you set the power, you need to set the direction of your robot, which is this one. This is the block for the direction. Okay, CW means that your robot is moving to the front, which is the forward movement. So M1, once you set for the forward M1, you need to set for the other motor for moving forward, which is M2. Okay, so every time you place M1, you need to set the same thing for M2. Right, you give the power and you give the direction. So how many seconds that you want your robot to move in order for you to collect all the energy portions and go inside the portal? So you need to use the control, which is a wait block, put it here. Okay, so next, last one, you want to stop your robot here. So what you need to do is you need to use the brake block. This one is the brake block. Same goes to the previous blocks just now. Once you set for M1, you need to set for M2 for the brake. So this is the basic programming for the Go Take Up. The basic programming, one set of basic programming. You have power, you have direction, you have how many seconds that your robot will move, and then the last one, you want your robot to stop at which point. So you need to play. You need to check you need to check the programming. Once you complete this programming, this is the run or play button. You play first, and now your robot is moving 100 power, CW for 1 second, and then brake. Actually, this one you can change the number. It's not necessary for you to use 100. 100 is the maximum power speed. You also can choose 80 power. How to change? Just click this one. And then this one, the wait block, we can use a decimal number, which is if you want to choose 3.5 seconds for moving forward, then you can choose the decimal number. Okay, this one, the range of the power is from 0 to 100 speed power, and this one, it's up to you. As long as if you use decimal, it's up to two decimal places. Okay, for example, 3.55, you can use that value. Okay, so you can choose a decimal number or the whole number. Then you try. This one is the play, this one is the pause, this one is the reset position. Okay, seems that 3.5 seconds is enough for me to reach at the portal door. Make sure when you do the programming, your robot is exactly stopped at the portal door. That's all, right? So you need to go to the next level to proceed with the next exercise. Alright, see you to the next video. Bye.